Welcome to this section of the training. We are going into a very important topic which every entrepreneur would like to be aware of: how to create a perfect marketing and sales plan. In this video, we'll be covering the key elements of a successful marketing and sales plan and provide tips on how to create one for your business. I am sure every entrepreneur that comes across this video would love to be part of this. First, let's define what we mean by marketing and sales strategy. Marketing strategy involves the tactics and techniques a business uses to promote and sell its products or services to potential customers. These strategies can include things like advertising, social media marketing, content marketing, and search engine optimization. Then sales strategy, on the other hand, focus on the specific actions a business takes to convert potential customers into a paying client. This can involve things like creating sales pitches, negotiating deals, and closing of sales. So how do you go about creating a successful marketing and sales plan for your business? Let's outline the key steps right away. Number one is define your target market. Before you can effectively market and sell your product or services, you need to know who are your target audience. This means identifying the demographics, the interests, the needs of the people that you want to reach. For example, if you are selling a new type of athletic shoes, your target market might be young active individuals who are ready to go for your product. Number two, determine your budget. Your marketing and sales budget will help determine the tactics and channels you can use to reach your target audience and achieve your goals. Be sure to allocate your budget wisely, taking into account the expected return on investment for each marketing and sales activity. This needs to be well checked. Your budget is number two. Number three is develop a marketing plan. Your marketing plan should outline the specific tactics and channels you use to reach your target audience and achieve your marketing goals. This might include things like social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and advertising. Be sure of the include details on how you execute these tactics and measure its effectiveness. Then number four, create a sales plan. Your sales plan should outline the specific actions you will take to convert potential customers into paying clients. This might include things like creating sales pitches, negotiating deals, and closing sales. You should also include details on how you will track and measure the effectiveness of your sales effort. Number five, implement and track. Once you've developed your marketing and sales plan, it's time to put it into action. This means executing the tactics and channels you've outlined in your plan and tracking your progress all the way. Use metrics and analytics tools to measure the effectiveness of your marketing and sales effort and make adjustments as at when necessary. By following these steps, you will be well informed on the ways to create a successful marketing and sales strategy for your business. I believe this has impacted you in one way or the other. Thank you so much for watching. Try and subscribe, leave a comment below this video, and also give a like thumb. Thank you so much, and see you in our next training.